Thank you for joining us on this episode of the Real News Extra. My name is Fred, the Operations Manager at Relaw APC, and joining me today is Jennifer Felten, the Principal and Founder of Relaw APC.
Hello.
So Jennifer, could you please explain the core element of signature authentication, in particular the Ramirez versus the Golden Queen Mining Company case, and why was that a pivotal factor in the decision by the court?
So this case came down in the last month, and it involved an employee who wanted to sue their employer for labor violations. The employee had entered into an agreement to arbitrate in an employee handbook and was disputing whether they were bound by that agreement. The employee took the position that they didn't remember signing the agreement. They didn't say they didn't sign it, and they didn't say that's not my signature. They said, I don't remember signing that.
Right.
And the question was that enough to make the issue of the validity of the signature a factual analysis that should have happened by the court? So the trial court considered it and determined that the arbitration clause was unenforceable. On appeal, the appellate court went the other way, and they took the position that there was no factual issue as to signature because the employee didn't say, I didn't sign it. He said, I don't remember signing it. That's not enough.
So how was the decision of the appellate court to remand it for further analysis? What are the implications of that as far as the enforceability of contracts?
Right. So it goes to both the enforceability of an arbitration agreement and the enforceability of contracts in general.
Right.
As it relates to arbitration agreements, there was a very long analysis in this case. The signature was one of multiple factors that went into whether the trial court made the right decision on arbitration or not. The bottom line is you need clear and convincing evidence in order to have an arbitration clause be enforceable. So At trial, those issues are going to have to be decided back at the trial court to determine if this case will end up in arbitration or not. As it relates to contracts in general, how you manage them, getting good records, being able to document and clear authorization for things is going to be the key to enforceability of a contract as baseline concept.
Got it. Thank you. And thank you for joining us on this episode of the Real News Extra. My name is Fred, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.